Today we have this 1929 Underwood No.5 antique desktop typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This is a very popular model, probably one of the best-selling models that I ever have, and they were the top dog typewriter back in that time. For over 30 years, the same model with minor variations dominated the market. Very popular. The way it types, the way it looks, very nice machine, made out of cast iron and metal. Very sturdy, strong, and heavy, which is why I like it. I like a sturdy machine. You can just hit it as hard as you want and it won't budge. These are your margins up front here, and you just squeeze and move them side to side. This is your left margin, this is your right margin, and you hear that bell when you get to the end. And once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you flip this switch down 1, and it skips 2, 1 more, skips 3. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Beautiful typing machine. Everything works perfect on this, and the print looks nice. Very classic feeling machine. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch down here, and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock or multiple pages. Make sure you flip that back up before you load the next page, or else it won't load. Got a backspace on the top left here. That works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the right. To clear that, you just hit the opposite shift button. This is your color selector switch. This side has a blue marker and this side has a red. So when you have it on the red, the vibrator, which is what holds the ribbon and goes up and down, goes up higher. So you hit the bottom portion of the ribbon when you type. Push it to the left, it doesn't go up as high, and it hits the top portion of the ribbon. Right now we have the solid black ribbon, so we're just going to keep that on blue. Got a tab key. These are your tab set markers. So to move them, you just push down like that, and then you can just move them like that, and it fits right into these teeth all along this area here. And when you hit the tab function, I'm going to expand the margins all the way out so you can see them hit every single one of these. So you hit the tab, and it's going to stop at each one of those, just like that. And from the front, I'll show you. You hit the tab button, and it'll stop at each one of those. Works good. This is your ribbon direction control. You push it in, and it'll pull to the left, which is where we want it, because all the brand new ribbon's loaded on the right side here. But if you want to change it, you just pull it out like that, and you can wind it to see which way it's going. I'm going to keep that pushed in, and when you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that will stop you from typing that locks the keys, and if you want to get past that, then we're at the end. This is your, it's kind of, this is an old model, but if you push that in, it'll allow you to type a little bit past that, and then before it stops. That's what that does. And it has this lever here on the side that if you push it up, it disables the spacing mechanism. So if you push it down, you can hear those clicks. Each one of those clicks is one space. And that works good. That's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.